Hello, English learners. Welcome to another lesson on Everyday English. This is Comprehensible Input. What is Comprehensible Input? It is a great way to learn a new language. You look at words and you listen to them. You understand everything. You learn English naturally, without a lot of effort. Today, we will talk about a daily routine. We will learn about the things we do every day. Please look and listen very carefully. Let's start our new lesson. My day starts in the morning. First, I wake up. My eyes are open. The sun is in the sky. It is a new day. Then I get out of bed. My bed is warm and soft. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I use a toothbrush and toothpaste. After that, I get dressed. I put on my clothes. Then I go to the kitchen. I eat breakfast. I eat bread. I drink milk. Breakfast is an important meal. After breakfast, I go to school or to work. I study or I work. I learn many things. In the afternoon, I eat lunch. Lunch is a meal in the middle of the day. After school or work, I go back home. At home, I do my homework or I read a book. I also like to play games with my friends. We play outside. In the evening, I eat dinner. Dinner is a meal at night. I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day. After dinner, I relax. I watch TV or I listen to music. I go to the bathroom again. I brush my teeth again. Finally, it is time for bed. I go to my bedroom. I put on my pajamas. My pajamas are for sleeping. I get in my bed. I close my eyes. I go to sleep. I sleep for many hours. My body rests. Then the next day, the routine starts again. My day is from morning to night. Every day is a new day. Thank you for learning about my daily routine with me. That was a great lesson about a daily routine. We hope you enjoyed it and learned many new words. Remember, listening to English is a fantastic way to improve your English. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our lessons. If you liked this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Everyday English for more great lessons and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for learning with us, and we will see you in the next video.